Hi! Yesterday, Suhas went to his best friend Neha's house. Neha is very inquisitive and always tries to explore the science around her. Yesterday, she had learnt about physical and chemical changes in her school, so she was categorizing all the different changes happening around her into physical and chemical changes. When he reached her house, her mother was doing a breathing exercise. Neha quickly asked Suhas if breathing is a chemical or a physical change. Suhas was a bit surprised at her sudden question, but before he could say anything, she started explaining. Breathing is a physical change because during inhalation and exhalation, lungs just expand and contract to let the air in and out. No new substance is formed when breathing. Suhas was amazed to learn this fact. After a while, they were eating some snacks that Neha's mother had made. Neha asked him, "Does the intake of food also involve physical and chemical changes?" This time, Suhas was prepared, so he confidently said, "Yes, it does, in the process of digestion." He started explaining how, because digestion involves chewing of food, it is both a physical and a chemical change. It's a physical change because we bite the food and break it into smaller pieces, and also a chemical change because while chewing, the saliva mixes with the food and changes its chemical composition. Further, chemical changes happen in the stomach and intestine to convert the food into simpler forms like glucose. Her questions kept coming. She asked, "Is the process of generating energy from glucose a physical or a chemical change?" Suhas replied, "This process is a chemical change because a new substance, carbon dioxide and water, is formed when the glucose reacts with oxygen and energy is released in the process. We call it respiration." After a while, her sister came home. Her bone was fractured. Suhas observed, a fracture is a physical change because the bone just breaks and no new substance is formed. But when the broken bone is healed by the formation of new tissues, that is a chemical change. Neha was quite surprised. "You're absolutely right," she said. Our bodies go through so many changes. As always, Suhas had a great time with Neha and her family. See you next time.